Hey guys, welcome to the channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can easily hide your friends list on Facebook. So for the first step is that you're going to head over to Facebook. Once you're on Facebook, what you're going to do now is that you're going to click on these three lines right over here. Once you click on those three lines, what you're going to do now is that you're going to click on the settings option. Once you click on the settings option, scroll down until you find the audience and visibility option, and then click on the how people can find and contact you option. Once you do that, click on the who can see your friends list right over here. Once you do that, click on the only me option, and that should hide your friends list on Facebook. Once you click on only me, click on the save option. So once you click on the save option, you have successfully hidden your friends list on Facebook. So that's how you can easily hide your friends list on Facebook. So without wasting much time, thank you for watching this video. Please leave a like, subscribe, comment, and I'll see you in the next one.